Hello, welcome to a video on how to use Windows 10 computers on the York County School Division network. This video is applicable to all computers running Windows 10 on the York County School Division's network. However, some things, mainly adding a printer, will vary from school to school because of the school name. Let's begin. So when you first turn on the computer, you will be greeted with the login screen. You will have to wait approximately 15 seconds because, if not, you could lose some of your important data due to glitches. In order to log in, you will type in YCSD / your lunch number, then you'll input your password. It's the same one used to log into Aspen. First, we will add a printer. To add a printer, click the Windows button, type in / the 3-letter abbreviation for your school -printers. You click Run Command. You will type in the room number for the printer you wish to add. For example, I want to add printer in room 316. I will mouse over to that printer, I will right-click it, and then I will click Connect. In order to verify a printer has been added, I will click the Start button, I will type in Settings, and then I will go to Devices, and then I should see my printer added there. So you can see GHS 316 has been added. So if I want to set a default printer, I will type in Change Default Printer, the Start menu, click Enter. I will go over to the printer I wish to change my default. I will click on it, click Manage, and then I click Set as Default, and that printer is now set as my default printer, which is the one that Windows will automatically set anything you wish to print to unless you change it. In order to add favorites in Citrix Receiver, you'll click on YCSD Applications. You will go over to the Apps tab. You will scroll down until you get to the app that you wish to add to your favorites list. You'll click on Details, and you click Add to Favorites. And that app is now added to your favorites. To verify this, we go over to Favorites and we scroll down and we see that the app we selected has been added to our favorites. In order to browse the internet, you have the options of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Internet Explorer. I personally recommend Internet Explorer for most use cases because it's the most stable. Even though Microsoft Edge does claim to be faster, I find personally that it tends to be slower and doesn't load some web pages as well as others. So to load Internet Explorer, you'll press the Start menu, type in Internet Explorer, and it will take you there. As you can see, it takes you to the York County School Division home pod. Now with Microsoft Edge, if you open it, this annoying pop-up will come up every time you open it. So you have to close that out, and then you will be landed on this screen. And then you just type in the bar where my mouse is to search. In order to log out, you will press the Start button. You will mouse over to your username, and you will click Sign Out. Or you can press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and then click the Sign Out button. In order to shut down your computer, you will press the Power button after pressing the Start button and click Shut Down. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, go over to the bottom right button, the Power button, click on it, and click Shut Down, and that will shut off your computer whilst logging you out simultaneously. It is recommended that you save stuff to your Y drive, which when you go to computers will appear as your student lunch number. If you save it in other places such as your desktop, there is a chance that you will lose this information and will not be able to recover it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you now know how to better use computers on York County School Division networks.